Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn some problems from exercise 13.3. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, we are going to name all the trapeziums. If MN is parallel to PQ and PQ is parallel to EF and EF is parallel to BC, we will get trapezium MNQP and trapezium MNFE and trapezium MNCB. And trapezium PQFE and trapezium PQCB and trapezium EFCB. That's all. Next question, question number 2. In a parallelogram ABCD, angle A is given, that is 62 degree. By using this angle, we are going to find the measures of the other angles. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, we know a property of a parallelogram. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. We know angle A, that is 62 degree. 62 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. 62 degree we should take into other side. Angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 62 degree. 10 minus 2 is 8 and 7 minus 6 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Therefore, angle B is 118 degree. And also we know a property of a parallelogram, that is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal in measure. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 62 degree and angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 118 degree. Next question, question number 3. The sum of the two opposite angles of a parallelogram is 150 degree. And find all the angles of the parallelogram. In this question, sum of opposite angles of a parallelogram is given, that is 150 degree. By using this angle, we are going to find all the angles of the parallelogram. We are going to use property of a parallelogram, that is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal in measure. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C. As per the given condition, that is sum of two opposite angles is 150 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 150 degree. Now substitute, in place of C you can substitute angle A plus angle A is equal to 150 degree. Angle A plus angle A is 2 times angle A is equal to 150 degree. 2 we can take it to other side. Angle A is equal to 150 degree divided by 2. We can cancel it. 1 2s are 2, 75 2s are 150. Therefore, angle A is 75 degree and angle C also 75 degree. And also we know a property, that is adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Then angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. We know angle A is 75 degree. Substitute angle A is 75 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. 75 degree we should take it to other side. We'll get minus. Angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree. If we subtract this value, you will get 105 degree. Therefore, angle B is 105 degree. Then definitely angle D also 105 degree. Next question. In parallelogram ABCD, angle A is given, that is 2x plus 10 degree. Angle C is given, that is 3x minus 20 degree. By using these two angles, we are going to find the value of x. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, we know a property of a parallelogram, that is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal in measure. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle C. Then we can write its corresponding values, that is 2x plus 10 degree is equal to 3x minus 20 degree. Minus 20 degree we can take into other side. We will get plus 20, 10 degree plus 20 degree, and plus 2x we can take into other side. If we take into other side, you will get minus 2x, 3x minus 2x. 10 degree plus 20 degree, we can add it. We can add these two angles, that is 10 degree plus 20 degree is 30 degree is equal to 3x minus 2x is x. Therefore, x is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, the value of x is 30 degree. Last question, JKLM is a kite. Now we are going to name the equal sides. Here JM and LM is equal and JK is equal to KL. JM is equal to ML and JK is equal to KL. Next we are going to name a pair of equal angles. Here angle MJK is equal to angle KLM. Angle MJK is equal to angle MLK. Next we are going to name the diagonal which bisects the other diagonal. Here diagonal MK is bisects the diagonal JL. Therefore MK is bisects the other diagonal. Next we are going to name the type of angle MOL. Angle MOL is a right angle. That is 90 degree. Thank you, students.